line. Kyle, you're in charge. You say so too. Okay. Josh and Alexandra, who's in charge there? The Russian is in charge. All right, Alexia and Laura, let's see what you answered. Oh, you both answered, both of you.
Nice.
Yeah. Very nice. All right, Fernando and Carolina. Little discrepancy there. You're both in charge. They both said they each were. All right, Melanie and Devar, how about you guys? Let's see. Who thinks Melanie's in charge? Devar, who thinks Devar's in charge? You can resume it for yourself. All right, Mark and Nikki, let's see what you answered. Mark?
I like Lauren's answer. It's 50-50.
But then why wasn't that your answer?
I aim to please, so I have to make her happy. So it's 50.
All right. Final question. Which one of you is more likely to initiate sex?
Oh my God! Why would
Okay,
you
I'm going to
ask
start off
that?
with Lauren and Alexia because Lauren was the first to. This one is easy, she said. Okay.
I don't even have to look at it because I know.
Okay. Josh, Alexandra. No comment. I plead the fifth, and I don't know. I think that's two no comments. Kyle and Noon, what about you? Me, Noon is so sexy, very cute. Okay. Over on this end, Fernando, Carolina. Once again. So you both feel that you would be the first to initiate sex.
But when she wants to have sex, they have to have it.
Devar, you talk about it a lot. So that does not come as a surprise, probably, that Melanie said Devar and Devar.
I even joined she answered for me.
Yeah. Literally. All right, moving on, Mark and Nikki. Sometimes me, sometimes Mark. And another pleading the